Listen, if I had to start from scratch today with no audience, no followers, no email list, here's exactly how I rebuild a digital product business that makes real income. This is what I wish somebody would have laid out for me when I was working two jobs and praying that one of these side hustles would actually hit. So let's get into it. First thing I do, forget trying to sell 20 different things or join every affiliate program under the sun. I pick one simple product that solves one real problem. Now, this could be an ebook, a checklist, a training, whatever, but it needs to be something I can either create quickly or already have access to. If I didn't own my own product, I'd start with a low ticket offer that has master resale rights or a high converting affiliate funnel that already works. Something like my $27 digital product starter kit, that's a perfect bridge product to get early sales and build momentum. What matters is the product solves a pain that people are actually trying to fix right now, not someday. Next up, I hop on System.io because it's free and beginner friendly, and I build a basic two-step funnel. Page one will be a clean opt-in page that offers a valuable freebie like my skill finder framework or product idea list or a funnel template, something with instant value. And page two would just be the thank you page that immediately pitches the low ticket product. And it wouldn't just say, thanks for signing up. I sell right away. Now, this is important. I also add an order bump to boost my cart value and an upsell page with a higher price offer. That's how I went from $7 sales to $70 plus per customer without spending extra on ads. And that's the secret sauce. It's not just what you sell, it's how you stack it. After someone opts in, I'm not just letting them float around. I set up an email follow-up sequence in Aweber, and on day one, I deliver the freebie and explain how it helps them right now. Day 2 to 3, I'm going to build belief and talk about real struggles and real solutions. Plus, I'm going to make the product a logical next step, not some pushy pitch. And I keep emailing 1 or 2 times a week with value, mindset shifts, case studies, and occasional promos. People buy from people they trust, and email is where that trust is built. Next move, I pick one platform where I'm comfortable showing up, and for me, it's YouTube. But if you're shy, start with short form content like TikToks or Reels or even posting inside Facebook groups. The key is don't just post, look at my product stuff. Post content that answers questions, busts myths, shows results, and builds authority. Let's say I was promoting my $7 funnel. I'd post videos like how I made my first sale online in 24 hours, why most funnels don't work for beginners. Here's my $7 funnel that pays me daily. Each piece of content is either planting seeds or inviting people into my word. And last thing, I plug into a community or a program where I'm not figuring this all out on my own. Back when I started, I made the mistake of trying to YouTube University my way to success, and that got me burnt out and broke. Instead, I would have gotten mentorship or joined something like DPI Academy where there's a roadmap and people walking it with you. I wasted so much time guessing when I could have just followed the blueprint and been free way sooner. And let me keep it real. Even now, when I try something new, I still invest in learning from people who've already done it. That shortcut is worth more than gold. So if you're sitting there like, yo, Ronnie, this all sounds good, but where do I even start? Let me help you shortcut everything. Click the link in the description and grab my free skill finder framework. That's step 1. Then check your email and I'll walk you through the rest from there. No fluff, no hype, just real steps to real money. And if you've been stuck thinking you have to be an influencer, build a big following, or have a fancy funnel, let me show you there's a better way. It's time to build something that pays you daily, even while you sleep. So let's get it. Click on that link somewhere on this video or down in the YouTube description. I'll see you on the other side.